Welcome to another update from the force of the 13. Strengthening Maria is expected to become a major hurricane by the time it reaches the Leeward Islands. Maria is currently located at 14.4 degrees north, 59.0 degrees west, about 90 miles north-northeast of Barbados, about 175 miles east-southeast of Dominica. Maximum sustained winds 90 miles per hour. Pressure movement is west-northwest at 13 miles per hour, and minimum central pressure at 977 millibars. There are no changes to the NHC's current advisory. However, the hurricane warning is in effect for Guadeloupe, Dominica, Saint Nevis, Montserrat, Martinique. Tropical storm warning is in effect for Antigua, Barbuda, Saba, Saint Eustatius, apology for the pronunciations, St. Lucia. Hurricane watch is in effect for the US, British Virgin Islands, Saba, Saint Eustatius, St. Martin, St. Bartholomew, and Crete. Tropical storm watch is in effect for Barbados, St. Vincent, the Grenadines. Interest elsewhere in the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic should monitor the progress of this system. Additional hurricane and tropical storm warnings may be issued for a portion of the Leeward Virgin Islands on today, and hurricane watches will likely be issued for Puerto Rico and the nearby islands this morning. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 90 miles per hour, 150 kilometers an hour with high gusts. Rapid strengthening is forecast during the next 48 hours, and Marie is expected to become a major hurricane as stated before it moves through the Leeward Islands. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 15 miles from the centre. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 105 miles. And storm surge and rainfall accumulation of between 6 to 12 inches with isolated maximum amounts of 20 inches across the central and southern Leeward Islands, including Puerto Rico and the US British Virgin Islands through Wednesday night. Tropical storm force wind probabilities. Rainfall on all of these islands could cause life-threatening flash flooding and mudslides. Earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. A look at various models and their tracks. The NCEPGFS consensus is interesting, but caution needs to be applied when viewing the models. And we have Hurricane Jose, Maria, Lee in the Atlantic region, and here's the latest wind shear. It looks like wind shear will be an issue for Maria. And shear tendency, and you can see the increasing wind shear to the west of Maria and even Lee. 850 millibar vorticity. Look at one of the local radars and you can definitely see where Maria is located. And a weather observation from St. Lucia. Tropical storm watches are in effect for a portion of the mid-Atlantic New England coast. Dangerous surf and whip currents expected along the east coast of the United States. This is related to Hurricane Jose. Jose is currently located 32.6 degrees north, 71.6 degrees west, about 290 miles southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, 395 miles west of Bermuda. Maximum sustained winds 90 miles per hour, pressure movement north at 9 miles per hour, and central pressure is 972. Tropical storm force, correction, a tropical storm watch is in effect for Fenwick Island to Sandy Hook, Delaware Bay south, East Rockaway Inlet to Plymouth, Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket. Interest elsewhere along the US East Coast from North Carolina northward to New England should monitor the progress of Jose. And the advisory mentions please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service. Earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. Wind speed probabilities and the latest NOAA floaters. And again, my location is over here on the east coast of Australia and between Cesar over there in Mexico, Nathan in Manchester. The three of us are producing the video updates on what is turning out to be a horrific Northern Hemisphere summer. Now this is a look at one or two models available on the windy.com website, and this shows Jose and Maria, and this is across the next 4 days. If you'd like to be part of our technical team or even participating as a member. Nathan has the information at the end of this update. And thanks to Levi Cow and Tropical Tidbits website. Here's some tracks on OSA. Along with model guidance. Stay tuned to Force 13 for more updates.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.